Traveler, when you start your journey in Urals, you'll need proper equipment to overcome challenges on your path. Standard plastic dice is neither a weapon against a red dragon nor a space marine in power armor. A real carbon fiber, high-strength epoxy resin, hand-polished. One dice set to play them all. One dice set to find them. One dice set to bring them all and in the darkness bind them. Traveler, choose weapon carefully and toss a coin